Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can show watermark on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and at the bottom left corner of this chart you can see the TradingView watermark. And yeah, let me tell you that it is provided by default by TradingView itself, and you cannot disable or enable it manually. So yeah, this is how you can show watermark on TradingView. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.